Have you ever stopped to think about what's really happening right under your feet? It's not just dirt and rocks down there. In fact, the ground we walk on every single day is like a giant, perfectly wrapped gift from the universe, and today we're going to unwrap it together. So grab your imaginary shovel, because we're about to go on an epic journey to the center of the Earth. Right now, you and I are standing on the Earth's crust. Think of it as the planet's skin. It's a super thin, rocky layer, but it's where all the action happens. Every mountain you've ever seen, every beach you've walked on, and even the deepest parts of the ocean are all just part of this crust. If the Earth were an apple, the crust would be its thin, crunchy skin. It feels solid and permanent, but it's actually broken up into huge pieces called tectonic plates, which are constantly moving, kind of like giant puzzle pieces floating on a sea of something much, much hotter. This movement is what gives us earthquakes and volcanoes, and it's how mountains are born. It's pretty amazing to think that the very ground we build our cities on is always slowly on the move. Now, let's dig deeper. If we could somehow drill through the crust, we'd enter a whole new world, the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer of the Earth, making up about 84% of our planet's volume. It's a place of incredible heat and pressure. The temperature here is so extreme that the rocks aren't solid anymore. They behave like a super thick, gooey liquid, something like melted caramel or very, very slow-moving honey. This slow, churning motion in the mantle is the engine that drives the movement of the tectonic plates up on the crust. It's a gigantic planetary convection current, constantly cycling heat from the deep interior up towards the surface. So the next time you feel a tiny tremor or see a volcano on the news, remember that it's all powered by this massive, churning layer of molten rock far beneath us. It's the Earth's hidden engine room. All right, let's keep digging. Past the gooey mantle, we finally arrive at the heart of our planet, the core. The core is divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. First, we hit the outer core. This layer is a swirling ocean of liquid metal, mostly iron and nickel. And it's hot, seriously hot. We're talking temperatures that can reach over 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This swirling liquid metal is incredibly important for all life on Earth. Why? Because its movement generates a powerful magnetic field that surrounds our entire planet. This magnetic field, called the magnetosphere, acts like an invisible shield, protecting us from harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation streaming from the sun. Without the outer core, our atmosphere would be stripped away, and life as we know it couldn't exist. It's our planet's personal bodyguard. And now for the final destination, the very center of the Earth, the inner core. After traveling through thousands of miles of rock and liquid metal, we find a solid ball. Despite being even hotter than the outer core, hotter than the surface of the sun, the immense pressure at the center of the planet is so great that it forces the iron and nickel atoms to squeeze together into a solid state. It's a ball of solid metal about the size of the moon, just sitting there at the heart of our world, spinning away. Some scientists even think it might be spinning slightly faster than the rest of the planet. This solid inner core, surrounded by its liquid counterpart, is the ultimate secret hidden deep within our world. So let's recap our incredible journey. We started on the crust, the thin, rocky skin where we live. We dug through the mantle, a thick layer of gooey, molten rock that drives the continents. We swam through the liquid outer core, the metallic ocean that generates our protective magnetic shield. And we finally reached the inner core, a solid ball of metal hotter than the sun. Every single day, as we go about our lives, walking to school, driving to work, or just sitting on the couch, we are living on top of this amazing multi-layered wonder. The Earth isn't just a solid ball of rock. It's a dynamic, living planet with a fiery heart and hidden layers that work together in perfect harmony to make our world habitable. The ground beneath our feet is a constant reminder of the incredible power and beauty of the universe, a secret that we get to be a part of every single day. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into our planet. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of science. See you next time!